Welcome back, guys. Woodland Rider here, just doing a quick video. I haven't been riding a lot lately, neither me or Tess. It's been raining quite a bit here in Northern California, so I just did a quick unplanned ride and just spur of the moment type of thing. No planning, but rain was on its way, so I just got out real quick, went back to Granite Bay Trail and checked out another area that was unexplored. So just check it out, see what you think. I'm gonna try to do this in 4K, so hopefully it comes out nice and clear, and hope you guys enjoy it. Take care, ride safe.
Look at that beautiful view right there. Yeah, got the low PSI on the tires. Dropping. Oh shit. Ooh. Got a low PSI on the hardtail. Fuck. I didn't check it, but it feels like under 30 at least. Shit. Ruts. Past that. And this jump, oh, we have to check that out. Now let's get adrenaline's on. Let's check out the rest of the trail. Right up this shit. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Not bad, thanks.
Yeah,
What's that?
sun way down.
Oh shit. Bucked off my pedals there. Ruts. That goes back up. I'm not trying to climb again right now. Stop. Get wiggle with it. Oh. Tell you, man, no judgments on anyone, but come get some of this natural high sometime. Rock, slide through. Let's touch that beach one time and then come back. Hardtail rock rolling. And it happens. Use momentum. Quick video and we out.